How to delete search history on Safari. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Head towards the app settings, open it. Now scroll down and go to the option screen time, open it. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Go to the option content and privacy restrictions, open it. Now head towards this option of content restrictions. Over here you will find this section for web content, open that option. Now set it to unrestricted. After you do that, again go to the main page of settings. Now scroll down and find the app Safari. After you find that option, open it. Now scroll down. Over here you will find this option of clear history and website data. Tap on it. Tap on the option clear history and data. Do you also want to close all tabs? Select the option close tabs. This is how you can easily delete search history on Safari with restrictions. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.